Ryan.
We got stuff.
We got stuff.
We got some stuff.
We got some mail calls. But this is a special mail call. You know why?
Why?
Because this is a mail call that we got from the comic book community because they are grateful for the content we make them.
People like us.
You like me right now. You like me.
So first off, I want to give a big thank you to Mr. Dylan Van TL.
That's from Caleb Murphy.
Thank you so much. You guys are homies, and we're super excited. We're going to open these up on camera. Ryan, why don't you do the honors first?
Blades?
Oh, here's the blade. Be careful.
Should call me knife guy instead of fire guy now.
Ooh, that's a good call.
We should burn these open.
Oh, yeah, maybe like a heat gun or something.
If we just put these into a fireplace.
That cannot be a good idea.
It will burn away all the cardboard, and then it will leave the comics.
If you would like to send us something where we will open it on camera, likely, you can send it to me, Tom Garcia, at P.O. Box 574, Lake Stevens, Washington 98258. But you know what? We like to share these moments with the comic book community. We actually have another box that's really big. It's a priority medium flat rate. It's heavy as hell. It's like 11 pounds, right?
Yep.
Very heavy box.
I'm going to kill myself with this blade.
You just focus on the task at hand, Mr. Taskmaster. That you will cut yourself. Be careful. Oh my God. I'm gonna film it and we're gonna put it out there.
It'll be good. It'll be
but
good
we will open
the
the other package on IGTV, so you can follow me there at Comic Tom 101. We're gonna do one of the unboxings there because it's a lot of comics, and I'm excited to open it with you on camera. So what do we have in there, Ryan? And remind me, who is the person that sent that to us?
Caleb Murphy from Florida.
Caleb.
You know who you are.
Well, this traveled from the complete opposite part of the country. And what did Caleb send us? It looks like a comic book and packaging.
Very well packaged. This is not going anywhere.
We have it in a folding box.
No matter what's in here, you get props.
Paper.
You get props for that.
What did Caleb send us? It looks like a comic. Ooh, it has something here. What does it say? I'll read that. Dear Santa. He crossed it out. Dear Santa, I mean, Russ and Tom, even if I don't get a San Diego Comic-Con Venom 3, because see, Caleb was hoping that we would get a bunch of these things, maybe throw it in the mail call or, you know, have a couple extra to offer. He said, I really do appreciate all of the stuff. I guess so. Here you go. I'm bringing you no strings. Thank you so much, Caleb Murphy. I'm donating my Secret Wars 8 to the mystery mail call. Whoa.
I never held one of these babies before.
That's crazy. Let me take a look at that. We got a Secret Wars 8. He just sent us a Secret Wars 8.
What do we even say, man?
Whoa. And it's like VF near mint. What? Dang, Caleb. All right, well, super grateful here. The comic book community, the mystery mail call members are all freaking out right now because
someone's getting that.
Someone's going to get this. GeekStreet101.com is where you can sign up for the mystery mail call. We send out random comic books every month to members of the community. It comes with a graphic novel and 4 to 5 comics. This is an example of a comic book that goes into our mystery mail calls. And Caleb, shout out. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
We are like super grateful about that.
Yeah,
Look at that,
I was not expecting that to be in there.
I was not expecting that to be in there either. And with the note and everything. So very cool. All right. Dylan Vendiel. I'm super pumped about this.
I got an easy name
here. I know.
Thanks again, Caleb, for having an easy name.
For real. Let's see what we got here.
You opened that much more effectively than I did. And
can you tell that I package a lot of comic books?
Much less risk.
Ooh, let's see what this is here. This is
another ransom note.
There's another ransom note. What do we got here? All right, so let's there's a comic book in here I can see, but I don't know what it is yet. We'll look at that next. Let's look at the note first. Hey Tom, after talking to you and watching your videos, I couldn't help but want a little chunk of my collection in yours. I love your content. Keep up the amazing work. P.S. I had an extra 7 to Eternity #1, so I thought I'd throw it in. Oh, 7 to Eternity. That must be the comic.
Spoiler alert.
Ooh, 7 to Eternity. 3rd printing variant.
Let me see. Oh, ooh.
That is dope.
That looks really good.
That's a cool cover too. Dope. Hey, thank you so much, sir. And then what is this? Because this is from his collection. So what could this be?
Who knows?
Okay, so here's the thing. Instagram, there's different tags. So I'm not sure like the name matched up to the person who I'm talking to. So it doesn't always click until I read the note and connects the dots here. But Dylan reached out to me on Instagram. He DM'd me and mentioned that he really liked the videos and that he spends a lot of his money on comic books on eBay, you know, bids on a lot of comic books. But the thing that rivals that most is his hunt for fossils.
Fossils?
fossils. Like fossils. You can buy fossils on
Jurassic
eBay.
Park? Like one of the claw things?
I had no idea that you could purchase fossils on eBay.
Me neither.
It makes sense, but it's a whole like
it's a whole different
it's
side
a
of the
whole
website.
community
You can buy
there.
anything there, I guess.
So he mentioned that he collects fossils and he would send me one. And I think that this is what it is. So let's take a look at what we got here. This is definitely fossils, man. He sent us
I
fossils.
did not think that would be what I would be doing today.
That is freaking
Opening
dope.
fossils in the mail. That's badass.
This is really cool. So what do we got here? What do we got? There's a few of them in here.
What?
Whoa. Okay. What do we got? The first thing is a woolly mammoth hair.
Oh, dude. What? I gotta see this.
Dude, it's a woolly mammoth hair.
That's terrible.
Thank you. What a cool gift.
Wow.
That's like a legit woolly mammoth hair. What does that say on the bottom right?
10,000 plus years old from Siberia.
That's pretty cool. And then it gets better because there's like 4 of them in here now. Whoa. Okay, so we got woolly mammoth hair. And what else we got here? We have a mosasaur tooth. I do not know what that is, but we're going to put that on the screen. Take a look at that.
Let me see.
Mosasaur. Did I pronounce that correctly? A Spinosaurus tooth.
Mosasaur?
Look at that Spinosaurus tooth. Wow. Look at that. Triceratops tooth.
Dude.
Dude, these are 65 million years old.
This one's 95. The Spinosaurus
Whoa.
from Morocco.
That is dope. Oh, dude. A megalodon tooth.
No way.
That says megalodon. And
Yeah?
and check it out. It's got
It's
like
huge.
it's got its like all of its information. Like it's like documentation of its history of like who found it and stuff. Like that's how you track this stuff. It has its number attached to it with the length, the gauge, and the stone color. And its item number with the year that it was its approximate year lifespan. We have the coolest community of comic book enthusiasts, and we appreciate you.
Yeah, this was a lot of fun.
Oh my gosh, we have a Secret Wars 8, a 7 to Eternity #1 third print going into the mail call now. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
And we're going to have some we have some fossils here.
That's just
is
unbelievable.
Unbelievable. What a cool
that's
I'm kind of,
flattering.
I don't even know
like,
what to
I
say.
yeah, like-
this is like legitimately like an exciting moment for me.
Yeah,
Like,
to open stuff from people.
yeah. So again, P.O. Box 574 in Lake Stevens, Washington, 98258. Address that to Tom Garcia. We'll open that up on camera. Make sure to put your name, as well as if you want your Instagram tag, that'll help us. So
Yeah.
make sure to plug you right. We'll put you on the screen.
Of course.
But thank you so much. Dope comic book community. We appreciate you as always.
Geek responsibly. Do it.
Every day.
Every day.
Enough
said. Don't forget, check out GeekStreet101.com where you can sign up for our mystery mail call. We'll send you comic books in the mail every single month. It's a good idea.